One habit that builds your personality faster than anything else.
Observing.
Okay. One thing professionals do in meetings that quietly destroys their credibility.
I think the way they carry their personality
Okay.
in the room.
Okay. Um, the leadership lesson from luxury hospitality that can be applied everywhere.
Eye for detail.
Okay. One thing AI will never replace a great leader.
Uh, like I mentioned, it's his emotion
Okay.
and or her emotion and the leader himself.
Yeah. One thing ambitious people should stop doing immediately.
I think rush.
Rush. One leadership book that you recommend to everyone.
Uh, I think there's a very nice book from Subrata Bakshi, Go Kiss the World. It's a story between the son and the mother,
Okay.
and very very inspiring story.
Okay.
Uh, where mother tells his son,
Ah.
I think at her last stage,
Yeah.
that he happened to go out, and then the mother says that go kiss the world, my son,
Okay.
and then he built an empire
Okay.
which is known.
So what's the name of the book?
Go kiss the world.
Go Kiss the World. Okay. The best leadership advice you ever got.
I think make your strength so stronger that your weaknesses are not been seen.
Very interesting. If you have to teach executive presence to a 30-year-old in one lesson, what is that lesson?
So one thing which was very prominent earlier, which is now missing, is the way we give feedback and receive a feedback, which we have been trained a lot in hospitality.
Yeah.
But leadership, leadership, I think that is becoming a missing piece now. And if I really want to have the feedback, I need to work on a constructive feedback with my team,
Yeah.
or a person who want to develop themselves as
Yeah.
a 30 years.
Yeah.
I should be able to handhold them. So look for a good mentor
Ah.
who can handhold you,
Interesting.
because at age of 30,
Yeah.
either you are going to become a rocket,
Okay.
which will shoot like anything,
Ah.
or you will become a bomb which will blast.
Ah.
So you want to be a rocket.
Yeah.
You want to see the sky.
Yeah.
So look for a mentor who can
Look for the mentor.
and mentor will change. I'm not saying mentor will be same
Yeah.
throughout the life. A mentor will change once stage finish,
Yeah.
and that mentor will handhold you to another mentor.
Yeah.
So look for a mentor in the executive leadership. That's what I feel.
Yeah. Yeah. Super, Ravin. Thank you very much for your time. I think I have thoroughly enjoyed your conversation.
Thank you, Sumit.
Yeah.
Thank you.